Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. So y'all, I just had to come on here and say, yes, your girl can silk slay all day. I don't care what hair type you are. I don't care if you the 4C, Z, FG, AB. I can silk you out because I have the technique. Throughout the years, I've had trials and errors, and it's helped me to see like what texture needs what type of heat, what texture doesn't need it, what texture needs a little more attention, what doesn't. And also, yeah, like I said in the previous videos, man, your blowout, the main ingredient to it is the blowout. The main ingredient to a Silkpress is a blowout. So you gotta make sure you're doing the tension like you need to, and make sure it's fully dry. Because if you put it on a flat iron, I don't care what heat temp you got it on, it ain't gonna, the results ain't gonna be like you want it, and then you'll end up having heat damage too. So basically, blow drying is an air straightener. So you're trying to get as much of the hair smoothed out as you can before you use the hot plates. So I hope this helps. If you can, I appreciate all my subscribers, people watching my videos. Thank you for my OGs that stay responding in my comments. I appreciate y'all so much. I thank y'all so much. I do this for y'all, man. And if you can, if you've been watching my videos or not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Why not? So, because I've been throwing out these videos, y'all. I've been throwing them out there. So, if also like the video as well, you know, that'll help with my analytics. It'll help with my recommended videos being pushed up. So, if you can, do that and share it if you can as well. Alright, y'all enjoy the video.
My life wasn't perfect, yeah, I know that now. When it came crashing down, all I know is that I need you around. When it comes crashing down, all I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby, you can give me everything I want. Everything I want. My heart and spirit always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. All I need is not to feel so much alone. So step inside my zone, baby. I can give you everything you want. Everything you want. Wanna go now. Take me to your paradise. Yeah. You are all I need. All I need now. Yeah. It's crazy, but it's true. Crazy, but it's true. You're all I need. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose my